This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 25 RRT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, awning, external shower, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 25 RRT is 5,476 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.